Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to embed Lucidchart into PowerPoint. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Embedding Lucidchart diagrams into PowerPoint is a straightforward process and can be done in a few steps. Now, the first thing is you might want to open the document that you want to embed into PowerPoint. If you haven't already, you can start with a diagram or start with a whiteboard depending on your preference. But you can also click the new button here on the upper left corner. You can start with a Lucidchart within a blank document if you want to start from scratch, or click the create from template and you would be forwarded to choose from any of the following templates. All right, now let me tell you that these icons represents the Lucid Spark and this one represents the Lucidchart. Of course, we're just using this icon, which is going to be the Lucidchart. If you want to preview this template to make sure that this template can help you clearly define and visualize the steps in your process, click this template. You would be forwarded to the diagram builder. It takes a little while, but essentially once you're here, you might want to try to create a file first and then embed it to PowerPoint later. We can rename this and then go to the left side panel of our dashboard. If you want to maybe import this directly. Now, I want you to create something like this. All right, go to the embed. You have an option to embed in small, medium, large, and custom, so depending on your preferences. All right, now I want you to activate the embed code, view preview if you wanted, just to make sure that this is the embedded code that I want. All right, so I think we're good. We can leave this, wait for it to load. It's using conditional formatting to intelligently format your file. And then once the file has been embedded, all right, copy that. Now we're going to embed this code to the PowerPoint. Now just open the file here directly in PowerPoint. Once you open your PowerPoint account, all you have to do is go to the home section, go to the add-ins, and make sure that your Lucidchart diagram has been added here in PowerPoint. We have a separate video on how to do it. You might want to check the how to edit Lucidchart in PowerPoint. So I'm not going to do that. But for now, I'm going to click this option right here. And then once you've done that, you should be able to go to this section right here. Click the insert. You say this. Now all I have to do is click the text right here, go to the insert button, click the link, and that is the embedded text. All right, click the insert button. You should be able to embed the text here without any problem, right? You see it's been hyperlinked, right? So you have embedded the diagram here without any problem. Another option is go to the insert button. You have to manually embed the page as it is by going to this device. But you have to manually save the file first here via the PNG. You would be forwarded to this section. All right. And I want you to click the download button. You see that the file has been completed, and I want you to switch over quickly to your PowerPoint. In the PowerPoint section, again, insert the embed the diagram as it is. So you have two options: embed via link and embed the picture without a straightforward process. All right, so you have two options. Now once you have embedded both the link right here and embed the image, you now have the option to share this wonderful creation that you have here in PowerPoint. You can share this to your client, to your maybe your team members that you are working with. All right, you can copy that link and put in some message. Click on send. You also have an option to export this now as a PDF, ODP, or export to images. You have all these options for you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.